Trade schools are becoming a popular choice among graduates and others looking to pave a new career path, especially with the cost of college climbing. Why should you consider it? Keep watching. Cost. One key difference between a trade school and a traditional college is cost. On average, a 4-year degree could cost a student $127,000, excluding the financing costs, or more for an in-state college and almost double that amount for an out-of-state institution. The price increases when considering a private college. The price of a vocational school is about a fourth of the average college tuition, or about $30,000 to $40,000 depending on the industry of study. Length. A student will spend roughly 4 years completing a college degree at a traditional institution. The length of a vocational school is typically around 1 to 2 years. This means that the student will likely enter the workforce quicker when graduating from a trade school. So, you want to try vocational school? What now? Follow these steps to help you find the trade school that's right for you. Area of focus. If you've already got a plan and a trade school chosen, congrats. This is a big part of the decision-making process. If you're not sure, do some research on some trades or take a career or personality test to see which trade might suit you best. Accreditation. Accreditation is important because it ensures the learning facility follows standards relating to curriculum and faculty. This ensures the legitimacy of your degree or certificate. Reputation. Do some research on the trade schools you are interested in and find out the reputation within your chosen industry. Do students get hired often from that college into the field? Is this the best choice for education in this trade? Are there any or several complaints about the school? Graduation rate. The graduation rate refers to how many students who started have graduated from the trade school's programs. A high school graduation rate could indicate a successful staff and school. A low graduation rate can mean different things, such as the program not being sufficient or the student changing their minds. Inquire about these with the staff. Cost. Find out the cost of each vocational school you're considering. This should include not only tuition costs, but books and other materials. Knowing this up front can make the choice simple, and you'll have a number in your mind when tackling your student loans if you need them. Check with the administration about the process of applying for financial aid. Job placement assistance. Ask questions about the job placement rate and if the trade school helps you with finding employment after graduation. Class sizes. Students may learn better in smaller environments due to the instructor being more available to each student. Finding out the ratio of students to the instructor can help you understand more about how classes function. Choosing a career is an exciting and intimidating process, but trade schools can make that process easier. Ready to apply? With over 35 years of experience, InterCoast Colleges helps people towards a future career with friendliness and professionalism. Request more information about how InterCoast can help train you in a new career. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.